Hello, and welcome to 3Design. Chances are you just received your packaging in the mail. You've now opened up the box and you see that it comes with two pieces of hardware. This video is to walk you through the installation process. This first piece of hardware is a USB drive, and this includes all of the 3Design installation files. We'll get back to that in a second. The second piece of hardware is your security device, or the USB dongle. This allows the software to be unlocked and run on your computer. So the first thing we're going to do is take the USB drive and plug it into an open USB port on your computer. We're going to do the same thing with the dongle, the yellow security device. An autoplay directory should pop up allowing you to access the files. If not, you can access them directly through your computer. You'll see that there's three directories: Macintosh, Windows 32-bit, and Windows 64-bit. Now I know my system is a Windows 32-bit. If you don't know what your system is, you can find out in the control panel or contact the manufacturer of your PC. And if you are using a Macintosh, the choice is simple, as there's only one directory. Now you'll notice that there are two files in the directory. One is the 3Design installation file, and the other is the Swarovski plugin. The Swarovski plugin is a library of different shaped stones and materials from Swarovski. After you're done with the 3Design installation, you can go ahead and install the Swarovski add-in as well. Next, we're going to want to click on the 3Design installation file. A series of prompts are going to appear on the screen. Just click Next here, and then carefully read through your licensing agreement. Once you've read it, accept the agreement and hit Next. Now you're going to want to change your destination directory to wherever you want it on the computer. In this case, 3Design 2.01 is fine, and I'm going to hit Next. This is the name that's going to show up in the start menu on the lower left of your screen. I'm going to change that to 7.201 as well, and hit Next. Now I want this version of 3Design to be the default version for opening up VTFs and VTF PRs. If you don't know what this means, then just leave them checked and hit Next. Now the software will start unpacking onto the computer. This installation process will take some time. So I'll go back and talk about those two boxes that we just left checked. The VTF file is the native 3Design file, and the VTF PR is another version of the native 3Design file. What we left checked in those boxes before will make this version be the default version for opening those file types on your computer. So let's talk about the dongle, or the security device. Now it's plugged into the USB port and it should be lit up. If it's not lit up with a red light, that's okay, it should light up in a few moments. When the red light comes on, it means your dongle is recognized and activated by your computer system. We also want to make sure that we've plugged it into the back of the computer or into a USB drive where it doesn't stand a chance of getting broken off. I've seen a lot of dongles get bent and broken. This dongle is your license of 3Design. If the dongle is broken and we receive both parts back, we can replace the dongle for a small fee. But if the dongle is lost or stolen, as it is your license, it cannot be replaced. So if you have an insurance policy, you might want to list it as a capital asset. Okay, so this process is finishing up, and the next thing it's going to install the drivers for your dongle. So if your dongle's not lit up at this time, it should be lighting up shortly. So the installation wizard is almost finished, and now we do not need to register it online, so I'm going to uncheck that box. I do want to create a desktop icon, and I'm going to hit Finish. So the icon has appeared, and now if your dongle is lit up, you should be able to start 3Design. So we're going to open the program. This is our splash screen. The screen changes all the time and will convey different messages about contests and new products, etc. But once that opens, you're in the 3Design root screen. Congratulations. If you had problems at this point, it's important to call tech support and they'll be able to sort out any issues keeping you from launching the program. So next up, pop over to our forum and register. And inside the 3Design Care Lounge, you will find the video demonstration series with all of the online training materials you need to get started and becoming a 3Designer. And if you have any questions, contact the 3Design Help Desk. Thanks a lot, and go make some beautiful stuff.